My name is Music Phil. I've been in the business for decades now, from record shop to radio disc jock. We are at Willie's That Roof, and this is Yardstyle Live presents. Yardstyle Live presents is sponsored by Willie's That Roof, Oasis in the City.
Willie's That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica. Willie's That Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
This week's performance is by Spanish Town native Ganggoolie. Ganggoolie is known for hits such as Muscle Wine, Donkey Kick, and his latest song, Can't Par Again, and the two-time rhythm produced by Cargo, the Sky God. God we see in the house, you know, upon the lawns.
Oh, yes, man.
The last time you're over there, so. No, you're over here, so. On the lawns of Willie's That Roof. And this is the Music Phil Reggae Show. Because whenever I work more viral, you know, where I take the place right about now, because it's a nice place. Look on the place. Look there. Let's go, so. See there?
Rich.
See there?
Rich.
People, introducing to Yardstyle Live Stage of Willie's That Roof, Ganggoolie.
Right away, not itching. Same time. We don't know a Ganggoolie, I'm responsible for the girl, them, right? All the ladies them on the live know a song, yeah. All them know them dance, yeah. You ready? My girl, can you do the butterfly? Butterfly, broke out and do the butterfly. Butterfly, do the butterfly. Butterfly, butter. Butterfly, cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Dollar. Do the body basic. In a real life, girl, you not fake it. Do the body basic. Get the broom, girl, and then you rake it. Tell her move. You know your hands, them and you put them up and move. Tell her move. Go on, yeah, me, girl, because your life improve. Follow instruction, follow. Old school dance, them hot like. Follow instruction, follow in. I want if they remember one, yeah. You girl, muscle wine. Sit up and say because the ramp around, you know.
I got Ganggoolie, you know. I will say it's and about it. Ready again. Ganggoolie for Music Phil Reggae Show.
Turn it up some more.
Yardstyle Live.
Turn it up some more. CM Chuck.
Ready again.
CM Chuck. Them dancing at the lock the world. Girl in a sequins, here girl. You know ready again? When you girl them they know. You girl, can you do the butterfly? Do the butterfly. Broke out and do the butterfly. Butter. Butterfly. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Do the body basic. In a real life, girl, you not fake it. Do the body basic. Get the broom, my girl, and then you rake it. Tell her move. You know your hands, them and you put them up and move. Tell her move. But yeah, me girl, because your life in. Ready? Follow instruction, follow. Old school dance, them. You better. Follow instruction. What do you girl them there? You girl, muscle wine. Sit up and say because I know I say you muscle die. Muscle wine. Girl muscle up, me say be muscle up, yeah. Muscle wine. When I say because I know I say you muscle die. Muscle. Girl muscle wine. Pull. You know I want to pass on, you know. Next track, same time.
Ganggoolie again. Ready? Music Phil Reggae Show. Yardstyle Live.
Belly Ranks, big up yourself. Cassette Jones. See girl them song, yeah? You see my yard? When we wake up and look outside, the amount of girl me say the good touch girl a line up for. Them a bubble and a wine up for. Y'all know where you sign up for. Keep it like a kind and then you join up for. The good touch girl a line up for. Them a bubble and a wine up for. Try know what you sign up for. You better know semi-prime up for. You know waistline, it no one grease. Mash it up a waist, cause you know walk with ease. Rev it up your wine in increase. Bubble and go down, girl, that are the least. No worry, cause you're not displeased. The venom it have to release. Me love when you wine and taste. Make me cool like the island breeze. The good touch girl a line up for. Them a bubble and a wine up for.
Yeah.
GG Records.
You see a song, yeah? You know I'm married him this GG Records and me produce this. Some boy love come up the girl them. You see when the girl them fly out, Bible love them now returning. Yo, the girl them love the man them way bad. Them no want no coward. Them a come for the slap, put a brick in a them bag, yeah me make them glad. Ooh.
GG Records.
Remember I know. The girl don't want a man with nerdish, you know. Them don't want no punk. Them want a man who can defend them. The girl them love the man, them way bad. Them don't want no coward. Them a come for the slap, put a brick in a them bag, yeah me make them glad. Me no left the tool when me trod. Put on the robe like a rob. Zig up the place with the zag. That's my job. Crush them like grub. Every girl I chop them with the gangster. Make them jump purple like Bridget faster. They better get away with the mobster. No old can't give me no time. Every girl I chop them with the gangster. Make them jump purple like Bridget faster. They better get away with the mobster. Don't be back fly when you first thing in the morning before me bed, I just the high grade inna me brain, inna me brain, inna me brain. The bush weed will make you live, make you live, make you live. I just the high grade inna me brain, inna me brain, inna me brain. Me a bra for me hands, not no damn cocaine. Big up heavy herbalist some west to Spain. Me brain high like a Selassie tune, faster than 50 Joule. Eyes them bright up like a smartphone. Me did drive down me a feel walk home. What's your name, sir? Marlon. Me brain heavy like when Natty hit Narcome. Me face bend up like yellow man jawbone. The country know like when music they in a barroom. Bust some ratty sweat like me a maru. Know me up look like a palo. I just the high grade inna me brain, inna me brain, inna me brain. The bush weed will make you live, make you live, make you live. I just the high grade inna me brain, inna me brain, inna me brain. Be a bra. Next shot, same time.
Yeah man, I would like a reggae. The writer one part of soccer. Make me attack. This one I think reggae did the uptown. No, hello. Yeah, be uptown, no. Yeah, big up cargo and bust the seal. Everything revealed. Ganggoolie there.
No,
Ready?
no. Cassette Jones, big up in us. CD bagging. You don't know. Lee Major the boss. Fatta Rock. Music Phil Show. Spoogy. Chris Owell. You don't know. Alazir. Nico Nix. Me a go tell them like it is. Me no afraid to tell them like it is. Them fi know me straightforward. Alright. Once me find out you the real, the least thing you are.
Sure.
Cha-cha. Again. We are gonna tell them like it is. Chris Owell, where there? Remember I know. I be a real people report with them. How does you pick up yourself? Ready? Cargo, make them know this. Alright. Once we find out them the real, the least thing them run go squeal. We and you can't par again. We and you can't par again. Once you a carry man name two girl, and I go like them article. We and you can't par again. We and you. Let them know now. Fake can always be fake. Yeah. And the lead can never be straight. Never say the pull up now.
Reggae is back. Chip chip.
Again.
Chop chop. Mother.
Yeah, we are gonna tell them like it is. We no afraid to tell them like it is.
What's good, Ganggoolie?
Them fi know we straight. Like we sing, once we find out you know real, the least thing you run go straight. We and you can par again. We and you can par again. From them a carry my name to gal, and I go on like them article. We and you can par again. We and you can par again. Fake can always be fake, yeah. And the lean can never be straight. Remember say the broom can pick up the rake. Tell them no bring no beat because them life is at stake. A militant soldier them fi know never shake. Never afraid when the earth have a quake. I never frightened no fi not know where you're scared. And the cold out of here. Everybody why not wait? Once we find out you know the least thing you run go. We are you par again. We are you can par again. From them I carry my name to and I go on like them articles. We are you can par again. What do you think of me alone there? What do you think of me alone there? Hello, see you there. Chris Howell there. Ready?
Lonely days again. We all lose of a Brahma broken heart. You ready for sing?
You ready?
Ribby bang man on no pump it.
Do not sing.
Can't play me like we did. Every vibes and you bring. This is reggae.
This is reggae. A man said this is dancehall. This is reggae. And people to the bridge in there, all of it. Years me know all him label. Me know all relabel distribute. Come remember some of you Googling up. People. All of it. When say when start him song.
Yeah.
My God. People introducing to Yardstyle Live Stage. Remember I said this is the music field reggae show on Yardstyle Live away at Willie's Thatch Roof. Big up DJ Spoogy SK. This is Alazid. Ready?
Salute the whole life, salute the whole thing. Ganggoolie, Darko, Chris Howell, Mr. Easy, keep it to a team, Byrd up. Ribby bang man on no puppet man a sing. Can't play me like with him, cherish the vibes that you bring. True love from deep within, love and infatuation and not the same thing. Every king needs a queen and every queen needs a king. Only you know easy things some set out and get slim. Love is a gamble, you can lose and you can win. Compatibility is the realest thing. Hey, help me sing, hey, Willie, help me sing. Say, where is the love gone? I am the Willie SK. Spoogy, the one thing, the one skin. Reggae is back, chip, chip. Chop, chop. Ribby bang man on no puppet on a string. Can't play me like rhythm, cherish the vibes that you bring. True love from deep within, love and infatuation and not the same thing. Every king needs a queen and every queen needs a king. Only you know easy things some set out and get slim. Hey, love is a gamble, you can lose and you can win. Compatibility the realest thing. Joe, help me sing, Ganggoolie, help me sing. Say, where are the love gone? I sing along this sad song. Chris, where are the love gone? Can't go ask them where did he go wrong. Francine Max, where are the love gone? Say I sing along this sad song. Where are the love gone? Question, where did we go wrong? Ribby bang, love is a sorry word. Look and observe. Treat her like a queen, treat the king like a nerd. Show me to the curb, so absurd. You can't mash up my nerve. Hey, I remember birthdays and anniversaries. Carry to the movies, to the play. Party me together to Rio and Gay. Hey, where has the love gone? Say I sing along in that song. Where has the love gone? Question, where did we go wrong? Everybody sing. Where has the love gone? Say I sing along in that song. This is how I say. Where has the love gone? Ganggoolie say, where has the love gone?
Yeah. Turn it up.
Wanna know how this? Pull up. Chris Howell listener, world singer.
Yeah.
Them can't sing like him.
No, I forgive the proper intro. You see me? People introducing. Yeah. Yes. Introducing on the Yardstyle live stage, Chris Owell. The girl them said them leave him wet like the towel. You understand me? Anyway, Chris Owell, Yardstyle live. Ready? Let's go.
Turn it up, Papa. Man has Yardstyle.
The man with the golden voice.
My story. Chris Owell's story. Dig it. Girl, I love you, but I'm not in love with you.
Wanna do. People, remember tell them again, this is the Music Field Reggae Show on your Yardstyle Live, but there's every Thursday. Everybody have got them place now. Big up our place. Willie's Statue, Oasis in the city. Ready, let's go. Call in to the center stage on the lawns of Willie's Statue. Chris Owell.
One Spanish town. My story. Chris Owell's story. Dig it. Girl, I love you, but I'm not in love with you. I found someone who treat me better than you. Someone who understands me and appreciate my time. True story. I said goodbye to a love I had that left me. All I did was give my love unconditionally. What's broken is not mending. My heart is in a place of peace. Oh girl, she said goodbye was the only option. Now she left my heart to drown. The reflection of your face makes me hurt when I see your picture. Oh girl, girl, I love you, but I'm not in love with you. I found someone who treat me better than you. Someone who understands me and appreciate my time. Oh girl, remember when we used to walk, we used to talk, we're holding hands together. Right there. Yeah. Don't cry. Baby, don't cry no more. Turn up the song. Baby, don't cry no more. See ya. They say that once that tear has fallen, the willow cries eternally. Cry not for me, my willow tree. Down shed your tears eternally. 'Cause I have found a love I've been searching for. Oh, I need your tears no more. No more.
Salute. Yeah. Drop it. Cause dancehall is hot. Chip. Chop. What's good? Please and thanks. Well, bad man, no watch, girl. We no watch it. I will not love an chat, girl. Hi there. Ganggoolie. Keep it big. Chris Owell. Hey, Kaka, big up anyway there. Yo. Well, bad man, no watch, girl, we no watch it. How we no love and no chat, girl, from gasoline. Think about for catch, girl, and name Joe grind. Always a snatch, girl, man, no pretend, no we not forget hot, girl. That natural SK, no cost, girl, keep it free. Scooby them walk, girl, no girl a freak. Bad man walk, girl, freelance, say yeah. Oh man, we enjoy fire, burn a piece of boy. Oh man, we enjoy.
What do you think of that? Hello. Watch out. Make a tip. We did crap. Them my friend. Yeah, shit. Send a check. Now pet. Yeah. Butterfly. Hardball. Dumpy, man. Yeah. Select. Detect. Just now. We have everything them get. One. Direct. In the neck. Like Wi-Fi. Yeah, you can it.
Bad. Pull up that. Pull up. Oh, you bad, man?
I'm at Lino.
Are you them that died? Jesus.
Ready again. Stand with him.
Drop it.
Chris, you love to sing for the man.
Yeah, man.
Think you might get away? Nico Nix. Bless it. Make you sing a song.
Bless it. Alright. What better think of your fellow man? Lend them my helping hand. Put a little love in your heart. SK tell them we want this world to know. We want the churches grow. Put a little love in your heart. Hey, and the world will be a better place. And this world will be a better place for you. I sing so many years.
How we adore man, I put no man before man. I get about the success, good and rich, good and poor man. We not ignore man. How we have to bore man. Get a piece now, man.
Hold on. No boy can't come in on me face.
No.
Remember we run the place. No for them a run.
Don't stop it. When Chataka jail, we not empty no hide there.
Here on it.
Remember dancing and reggae.
Pull it. Like a bullet.
Nigga, do it now.
What you say? Remember this?
Keep it big up anyway there.
Remember this?
Sing on you. Sing on Nico. I go.
You go so da. Let them a make love to them father. But them da. Let them a make love to them. But them but from which part? Jamaica we come from, not this dog. When man a touch you a ball out which part? And come and chat, pull up again. And break.
Little known facts about Ganggoolie. Did you know that Ganggoolie was originally Itless the Sheriff? He was the original member of the Alliance family, the Alliance crew. Then he had a spiritual rebirth, and him changed his name, and him changed his sound. And guess what now? Ganggoolie is one of the few artists who can sing on a reggae rhythm. So any reggae rhythm right now, Ganggoolie dey on it. Alright, let's check out him tune on the 2-time rhythm and camper again. Ganggoolie.
Yeah. For the ladies them.
Alright, ready, let's
you
go.
You know a long song like them and a singing a dance hall. Ready mo.
Girl, this is for you.
Let me tell you, everything done set. Baby girl, don't get upset. Believe me never see a text. So you don't need to worry nor fret. No. Girl, me and you not left. No care them and wish and a bet. We are come from so far and we now make them mash it up. So much tears and sweat. Yeah. Don't try spoil the moment. Yeah. Make we picture love them. Yeah. With you a lifetime well spent. Yeah. Make we do this all over again. Baby girl, make we make some love in the rain. Make we make some sweet love in the real. Them say love is mean. That's why you're not left the sugar cane. Make we make some love in the real. Make we make some sweet love in the real. This a love that you can't contain. So don't try hackle up your brain. The love you rugged and well smooth. Now you get me in the mood. Me love your tipsy attitude. You know when to behave and you know fi rude. You alone know how to please me. Put on your little short mini and tease me. Whisper in my ears and tell me you need me. If your phone a ring, baby, just leave it. Yeah. Don't try spoil the moment. No. Make we picture love then. Yeah. With you a lifetime well spent. Yeah. Make we do this all over again. Baby girl, make we make some love in the real. Make we make some sweet love in the real. Them say love is pain. That's why you're not let the sugar cane. Make me make some love in the real. I know it's late, and I know you will be there.
That is reggae.
Kick again, man. Kick again, man.
Hot dance all.
Yeah, now.
Hot dance.
Oh, na.
Look right here, sir. Hot dance.
Yes, I know it's late.
Sing now.
And I know you will be
Get the voice.
I know you're planning. Johnny couldn't be. Still we are. I bought her for lonely.
For the ladies.
You're longing for shelter. all that we see. But why should we worry? And no one will care now. Look at the starlight, it's so far away. We got tonight.
Lady?
Who needs tomorrow?
No tomorrow.
We got tonight, babe. Why don't you stay? Still I can remember when we were there. Yeah. When I didn't care for anyone but you. My darling, I swear, you tell me everything I know now. I can't imagine need a girl, so I can't imagine anything that two of us can give. As sweet as yours, woman, I never let you down. You just turned my life around. The sweetest girl I ever see. Through the years, woman, you're always away.
We represent from out of Spanish town.
Showtime.
Spaniard.
Showtime.
Byrd, are you ready?
Cause I'm a very jealous man. And I wanted to understand. Yeah. She's a girl for me, and I love her very dearly. So if you see her with another man, Lord, playing around on only hands, please do not tell me my heart will break on down.
Hold on.
Please do not tell me my heart will break on down.
Right, sir? Same, sir? All go. Right, sir? Look at that. Right, sir? All right. All go. Boom. No girl no want no mean man, them love man. We kind dash money pon the girl them. Nickel every time, some a move like a miser. No waste time, tip and run. Girls fall in line. Hey, from she look good tipper, shape good tipper, waist good tipper. When we say to tipper, it's a well tipper, Ganggoolie tipper. Hey, feel tipper, all the zeal to fit.
Well, I know. Gyal a puppy tail, gyal a tremble. What? Gyal a puppy tail, them me into. Hands for your knee, gyal look how it. Hold a man, gyal, hango mingo. Gyal a mingo, gyal a puppy tail. Walk out, gyal, and then your puppy tail.
Yeah, now.
Hang up on something, then your puppy tail. Love when the gyal them puppy tail.
I sing City by my open fireplace. It's my favorite Ganggoolie. I was playing some bars up a melody. Yes, it sounds so sweet to me. But as I get up, take a look around. Yes, my feet got in the way. She stumbled to the floor, she was at the door. I could see her face. But how could it be? Yes, she went away from me. My best friend gone, and I'm so all alone. I gonna miss you, Brandy. When are you coming back home?
Girl,
I'm sitting here all alone. I really miss you, Brandy.
yeah, I'm a song cat, just buy a Guinness, bust it up like a bumper. Well, once again, sit down on the stumper. No about them, no boy can't touch her. Hey, must you want to be M16 or what? Must you want to find carcass over what? Ganggoolie come DJ and say what? Ganggoolie.
Nico say, girl, run your man. If your man not say one girl, you know say your man not in a good condition. Pull up. Pull up. I go.
On Nico.
Y'all, check me out now. Your man not going to
go.
So, girl, run your man. If your man not say one girl, you know say your man not in a good condition, girl. Run the man. If the man not say one girl, you know say your man not in a. Let me tell her, say. Baby, give it to me. Let me give it to you. Let me show you what a real man can do. Baby, give it to me. Just let me give it to you. Let me show you what a real
Me
man
can't chat something new.
can do.
Me stay far from them dirty mess. Me no walla, me no mix with the dirty press.
No.
Me be bust to your dirty vest. Bust it up just like in the dirty west. Me no chat to no gal in a no dirty dress. Most likely she sending a dirty text. Stay far from the girl and with the dirty flex.
Yeah.
Pick up Clarendon, Mr. Merciless. A Spanish town me come from your naffy guess. Everything where them teaching me naffy get. Make a guy drop asleep, so me naffy sweat. I just one but no person that rest.
Hey, who did it for me? Me did it for them. Big up my family and my real true friends. The fake ones, the bait ones, we don't need them. We burn them already and we burn them again, yeah. Who did it for we? We did it for them. Big up my family and my real true friends. The fake ones, the bait ones, we don't need them.
You know a new dance where gal do?
I go.
Y'all put your hand on your face and wine. Put your hand on your face and wine. Look on.
Before you leave, whoa, jump it. Don't you ever do that again. Could you, all right, please don't drop it. Drop it. I come from Ugly Park, big up each and everywhere. When my mental about garden, what is this?
Anthem.
Jump it. 876, globally, Jamaica to the world, and the biggest brand.
Locally.
When my mental about garden, around and I expect no flowers, scale the papa with 5 over hours. So we on the crew, no deal. What about us, no girls, whenever it rains. Jungle, but I think make the place rumble. Enemies are run and they must humble. Let them to fumble, no crumble. Let them humble, let me don't chop your suit, make it. Lands and banana, that don't Spanish sound. I'm about to bother. Pong violate, what a saga. Ganggoolie, but I think me bullet. Kill all the flies and the, well, Maxim and the lame, never ignite the flame. Or you think it's a well get him name. Anything vile. TM at the main and the lane, does the zebra man no bad man.
In the city, telling little spot them and the little ticky. China be no tenor, none integrity. Cause the full 32 out of your mouth to be smitty. Like up to Monday, tip it cool like witty. Me will send the goons them to your addy hippie. Creep up on them when the tiny P9 night them a go keep it. Well I know, rifle in your ears like Kyrie and Zippy. Lock off your lippy and don't try flip it. Fly up like a bird for you with me a go clip it. Me nah send you to hospital for no run like Mississippi.
This is Music Phil, and this has been Yardstyle Live Presents.